Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Credit Captain, a service that promises to help you improve your credit score and manage your credit health. If you're trying to take control of your finances, this review will help you decide if it's worth your time. What it is. Credit Captain is a financial tool designed to guide users in monitoring, improving, and maintaining their credit scores. It offers personalized insights, credit tracking, and tips for handling debt responsibly, all aimed at helping you qualify for better loans and lower interest rates. How it works. After signing up, you link your credit accounts, and Credit Captain analyzes your credit report. It provides actionable recommendations like paying down high balances, correcting errors, or opening certain accounts strategically. The platform also sends alerts for any major changes in your credit report so you can stay proactive. Who it's for. Credit Captain is ideal for anyone looking to improve their credit score, from young adults building credit for the first time to anyone recovering from past financial challenges. It's particularly useful if you want structured guidance instead of figuring it out on your own. What people are saying. Many users report seeing gradual improvements in their scores and appreciate the clear, actionable tips. A few users mention that changes take time, and some features could be more user-friendly for beginners. Red flags. Credit Captain is generally safe, but be cautious of any promises that sound like instant credit fixes. Legitimate credit improvement takes time. Pros. Personalized credit insights and recommendations. Alerts for changes to your credit report. Structured guidance for managing credit responsibly. Cons. Improvements are gradual, not instant. Some features could be more intuitive for beginners. Recommendation. So now here's my take. If you want a reliable way to monitor and improve your credit with practical guidance, Credit Captain is worth considering. Just remember, credit improvement takes patience. That's it for this Credit Captain review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial reviews.